Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. 2 minutes, huh? I'm just searching for something. Today we will finish the app inventors app. Okay, and then we will start with Python. Okay, and I spoke about the extra lectures of Scratch. They will reply me soon.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, did you inform that you have taken only one period for Scratch? Ma'am?
Scratch.
What?
Did you inform them that you have taken only one period of Scratch?
No, actually, for Scratch, I have completed the 2 sessions. Means on the first week when we started, I took the Scratch less session on Tuesday also and on Friday also. And
But
then in the next,
ma'am, but Tuesday in the class, just you most of the time, like a little more than 30 minutes, it was just went on downloading the app itself, correct?
okay, so for that only, I have asked them to give you 2 sessions. So they said, okay, we will inform you about that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, Siley.
Yes.
Actually, when I'm trying to download तो हो रहा है according to Divakar sir's instruction. But actually, when I just touch to join my account, it's showing wrong account. Why is it so?
You have to ask them. Because like the username and password are provided with by them actually, so you have to ask Divakar sir only. Or you can find it in the WhatsApp, in the group. I guess you might have received the Excel file, so in that you might find it. The username and password.
Thank you.
Welcome. Now, can anyone tell me like what we did in the last session?
Ma'am, you asked us to just create an app like with 9 blocks, table alignment.
Yes. Okay. Can you please share the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just not able to recall it.
Yes, ma'am, this one.
The horizontal scroll arrangement. This is the one I told you to do. No.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you
this
show
is
me?
the one.
Okay. Can you show me the blocks? No. On the blocks over here.
Coding, ma'am. She's asking for coding.
I have not shown you the activity starter, I guess.
Yeah, you didn't show.
Yes, ma'am. Block. You just asked us to just create the blocks, but coding just tried by just looking at the videos which were there on Google and all those things. I just tried this.
Okay. Okay,
It was
okay,
working.
fine.
It was working.
Okay, okay, then fine. Are you sir? Okay, ma'am, you can stop sharing.
Okay.
Yes, madam.
Hi, good afternoon. You were there in the like the app inventors session.
Yeah, in the previous class I was there. But actually, I mean, there's no electricity today, so I'm attending it on phone.
Oh no, I didn't get you.
There, there is no electricity,
Okay, 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 fine. So
so
can you like,
I
will you
didn't want
be
to miss the class, so I thought at least I can take it on phone.
okay? So you won't be able to share it, right?
It's on my laptop, but in the school I've already accidentally exhausted its battery.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So what I'll do, who was present in the last lecture, like last session? Rinku ma'am, you were there?
No, ma'am, I missed.
Okay. Nida ma'am? Raji ma'am?
Yeah, Raji ma'am has just shared her screen
Oh, okay, okay.
and I have already done.
I shared my
Next.
screen, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Nida ma'am? Hello, Nida ma'am. Hello. Okay, fine. So I think I have completed the screen one part and I was going to show you the screen two part. Okay, so in that you have to do it this. This is the part which I created and I told you everyone to create it. Okay, so these are the buttons and in blocks I told you to create it like this, that for each button, for button 1 we have selected the block which says when button 1 dot click, then what will happen, it will open the new screen. Okay, and whatever the text which you have written in the text box, it will be appeared on that screen. Okay, which is the second number screen. And then the button 2, for button 2 we have selected Facebook. So what should happen, if I'm clicking on button 2, it should open the Facebook page on the new screen. So for new screen, what you have to do, we have to click on add screen. Okay, see like this, click on add screen, then write, you don't have to write anything, it will be automatically shown you screen 2. Okay, and then click on OK. So if you click on OK, you will see this screen 2 like this, okay. Then in designer part, you have to drag out the web viewer component from user interface, see like this, and just place it inside the phone. It will be seen like this. Then once you are done with WebViewer 1, you will be going in blocks, and in blocks you will be clicking on screen 2. You will drag out when screen 2 dot initialize, what should happen. Okay, then you have to click on WebViewer 1 and search for call webviewer1.go to URL. So what happens, the URL which we have added in screen 1, it will be automatically visible in the screen 2, like this. This one you have to drag it out and place it inside this screen2.initialize, okay? And then click on control, and in control you have to drag out get start value block, okay, and place it over here. Then we are done with the project. Then you have to hello
WILD.
then you have to click on build, and you have to click create the app create the app QR code, okay? So it will be seen like this.
Ma'am, can you show the button code, ma'am, once?
Yeah, just a second. Huh? If you want to go in screen 1 again, you just have to click on this drop down list and click on screen 1, okay? Then it will show you the screen 1's block. Now I have not changed the names and changed the links, but you have to change it, okay? You just have to use this one and just copy paste it how many times you have taken the buttons, okay? And just change the name and the link, that's it.
Okay.
And after now how can I get the links for it? Now I'll just show you one in designer for the Instagram I'm showing you, okay, which is button number 1 2 3 4 5, I guess. Button number 5, okay. So this is my button number 5, okay. I'll just write over here Instagram, and I want the link also, so I'll go on Google. I will write see, you can see the link over here, so you just have to copy that. It is little difficult to copy, but you can just manage it like this and just paste it inside this pink one like this. That's it. Is anyone facing any problem to do this?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
Like earlier when we were doing this coding part, like when you what, so at one side how button looks like and on the other side what it does, right? So on the when we work on the other side, the coding part, if we don't connect it, does it affect anything?
No. Can you repeat it again? Your voice was
Okay.
breaking in between.
All right. So my question is, whenever we do coding, this part that you're doing right now, and there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 different codings, right? Right, and they are not connected. Is it not mandatory to connect it?
No, it's not mandatory to connect it.
Okay, so the one that we are going to use remains there. One that we don't want to use, we'll just remove it from there. We'll put in the dustbin.
Yeah.
That's it. We don't have to connect them.
No. Like the one which I'm showing you, you have to connect all that, but after means rather than
Okay.
these blocks, you don't have to connect any other block.
We have button 1 with what? That open another screen with the start value is connected.
Huh,
And then
correct.
screen 2 text box 1 is connected.
Huh.
Right? And then we
Yes.
have this ye button 2 wala, the second one,
Yes.
with which we have like open another screen with start value, screen name, then Facebook and its link.
Link. Yeah.
Yeah. Now, this button 1 is separate, button 2 is separate, but so far all the coding that we have done yet, everything was like linked to the other.
Yeah, it is kind of linked to each other. Not each other, but to the screen 1 and screen 2. If you are clicking anything on screen 1, it will reflect on screen 2. So it is basically connected. But the buttons, if you talk about the buttons, they all are like the same, but the functions are different.
Okay, so
Like-
basically
like-
what each button does, so we have to keep them separate.
Yes. So if
We
the
don't have to link button 1 with button 2 or button 3.
no.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Welcome. Is everyone done? Two minutes, huh?
One more small now.
Yes.
Now just whatever the program we are just doing, is it is app inventor or something or the other, we are just looking at the output on the mobile, correct?
Yes.
Is it possible to just see the output on the laptop or desktop?
Yes, there is possible. It is possible actually, but we have to like create an account. So we don't tell anyone to see the output on laptops. It's a
the
very
app
very big process actually, and it sometimes don't happens, like it doesn't work sometimes.
means the
So
apps, whatever we are just creating, it will work on mobile only, right?
yeah. It is an app inventor, so it will work on phone only.
Okay.
Once you create the QR code, just scan it, okay? You know how to create the QR code, right? Click on build and click on app provider, which is the first option inside build. So this is the QR code for my app, okay? So for your app, you have to create on your system, okay? And then you have to scan it.
Ma'am, one small doubt. Like button 1 click is there, no? At event. Open another screen with start value, screen name, screen 2 you gave, no? I'm not getting the screen 2. It's just a text, no? In the text, you have selected a text box and you just gave the name of the screen. That's it, no?
Yes, but it should be exactly as this.
Okay, got it.
See, it should be like, it is very case sensitive. If you are writing a wrong word also, it won't like work. So what
Okay.
the spelling,
So
you should see the spelling, like the screen 2 spelling is like this, so it should be exactly like this inside this
okay.
empty text box, okay? and the text box is over here in text, the first option.
Okay. And ma'am, why did you make it as second screen name has Facebook, ma'am? Did you create a few more screens, ma'am?
Yes, I have created till now only only two screens.
But
One screen, the
And
buttons
those
one.
are buttons. Those are buttons.
This is
no,
button.
button. No. See the second button event, ma'am.
This.
Yeah. Screen name is equal to screen name is Facebook you gave, no?
No. It is for our understanding, and we have just named it. Like it won't affect it. Like it will be seen on screen two only. But for our understanding that this is a Facebook's button, we have written name as Facebook. You don't have to write screen two.
Okay, good.
Tilly ma'am,
Yes.
where do we get this do another screen with start value screen name? I'm searching it from such a long time.
Okay. So this button, when button two
Yeah,
dot
that I
clicked,
got.
you got it.
That I got.
Now this one in you will find this in control.
Okay.
Control, you have to drag it down. You will find open another screen with start value screen and screen name and start value.
Okay, fine, ma'am.
Ma'am, the same thing what I did is, I think I have shared with you also. Below those 9 buttons, I have selected one more screen. I have created one more layout. It's not screen, layout with scroll layout, okay? Vertical scroll layout. And in that, I have kept this web viewer. Okay, and then it was very easy for me. What I did is I just selected the option. When button clicked, set web viewer 1 home URL is equal to home URL to this website link. That's it.
So actually this is easy for an adult, but for a kid it is very like exciting to create a new screen also. So that's why we have like showed in screen too.
Okay.
It's fine. You did what you did. It's correct, and it's easy for an adult. But for a kid, it's easy it's easy for screen too.
Okay.
Like anyone has got the output yet?
Ma'am, screen 2, we get it in text, ma'am.
This one?
Yes, ma'am.
No, you have to go in text. You have to drag the first block, which is the empty text block. Okay. You have to drag it out and place it inside
Then we have to write the name inside.
Yes, but you have to write exactly same name which you have used for screen 2. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Uh, 2 minutes. I'll be back.
to.
Shall I share my version, ma'am?
Yes. Just a second. Just a second. I'm giving you, like, I'm stopping my screen share. Just give me 2 minutes. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Yes, ma'am, you can share the screen now. Yes. Yeah, you can do this in this way also. You don't have to like add one more screen.
I can scroll down also, like this.
Correct, correct. Correct, correct. You can do this in this way also.
And this becomes easier. Whenever we want, we can go to any part of this thing. Whichever you have to select it, you can directly select it.
Correct. You can do in this way also. Now, anyone has any doubt?
Really, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, after the coding for the button, we have to create the code, right? QR code.
Have you added the screen too also?
No, ma'am, I have not added screen 2. I'm just doing it in screen 1 itself.
No. Now you have to click on add screen. Okay. When you click on add screen, you will be able to see this screen, like this name.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Instead of 3, you will be able to see 2.
2.
Okay.
Yes.
And then you click on OK.
Okay.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Then after that, you have to click on screen 2. Okay. In designer, you will have to go in user interface, and you have to drag out web viewer and place it inside the phone. It will be seen like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And then go in blocks.
Okay.
Then click on screen 2. Then go up. You will have to drag out when screen 2 dot initialize. Okay.
Okay.
And inside the screen2.initialize, you will have to go in WebWeaver 1. Then you have to drag out call WebWeaver1 dot go to URL, okay, and place it inside the screen2 block.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
then you have to go in control and search for get start value block.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I'll do that much.
Okay. So I think everyone understood about app development. Like, anyone has any other doubt? Or should I start with Python now? Okay, so I will start with Python now. Okay, Python is a coding language, programming language. Okay, in that, now till now in Scratch and app development,
Ma'am, you didn't show the output of yours, ma'am. Can you show the output once?
mine is not like completed, so I won't be able to see, like, I won't be able to see the output for it.
Because I just wanted to see if it goes to second slide, second screen, how will it be back to the first screen?
Okay, just a second. See, I'm just showing you which I have already made. Okay, this is the one. If I'm clicking on YouTube,
You didn't share the screen.
oh, sorry.
Screen sharing.
Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is my app. If I'm clicking on Amazon, it will take me to Amazon. Like, if I'm clicking back button, it will take me to first screen.
Okay. And there, if you want, you can even click, you can even give the link also. Hint for text box you have given.
Yes,
no? Can I-
yes.
So you
This
have
is
to type the whole link, HTML,
correct.
HTTP
No,
and everything.
not HTTP. You just have to write www dot gmail. Just a second, now. gmail.com, and just click on go. So it will take me to screen 2 and it will show me the link which I have typed.
Okay, so you have to click on back arrow to go back and again select one more. Okay.
Yes, like
Got it.
this. Okay, so we will start with Python now. All right.
Okay.
In Python, we don't have to do anything. You just have to start with this. I'm just closing App Inventor now. Click on Creative Center and click on Python. Okay, this is the Python screen. This is the Python's coding. This is a puzzles coding now. Okay, I'll just give you one like short everything, introduction of everything. This is file. Okay, in file, if you want a new file, I'll just click on new. So what will happen, I will see this codes. Okay, these are the by default codes. This is the screen for new screen. Okay, yes, hello.
Now you
Okay.
can continue. Some.
Yes. So this is the Python's coding. This is the by default coding. Okay, so whatever we want to write, whatever coding we have to do, we will be doing in this part. Okay, now we have like different like codings in it. So if you want, you just have to delete this and write the coding whichever you want to write. I'll give you the introduction of syntax also. Okay, then if you want to open like whatever the programs which we have created and saved in Leap Learner, you can just click on in LMS, sorry, not Leap Learner, in LMS. We have two options in it, classwork and creative work. Okay, in creative works, the projects which we have created, it will be seen in this one. Okay, so like light bulb, if I'm clicking on it, it will be like opened over here, and I will be able to see the codes of it also. Okay, then save as, if I want to save it one more copy, then I can click save it as save as. Okay, get work is not important, we don't use it. So import from computer, like same as Scratch and app development, if you want to import it from our system, then we can click on select the option import from computer. If you want to export this to our computer, you can just use export to computer. Okay, then whiteboard, if you want to like highlight anything, or you want to like tell anything about the codes, you can just use whiteboard. Then if you want to rename it, you just have to delete the name whichever is present over here and just write it like this, right? Bar, and click on save. So it will be saved in LMS itself. Okay, then I'll just show you new one. I will show you the syntax of the program. Okay,
നിക്കി ഞാൻ ഇത് പഠിക്കട്ടെ നിക്കി
I'll just tell you the syntax, how we start the program and how we end the program. Okay, so the first line is of library. Okay, so this is a library file where I can find all my keywords. Okay, so like for example, if I have a box and I have 2-3 folders in it. Okay, so if I want any one file from one folder, I will write that file's folder's name, and then I will write the file's name. Okay, like that. So this pylib is my library. Okay, import means I am going to import all the library files from pylib. Okay, and for star, why we have used star to so that I can get the access for all the library files. Okay, now if I want only some of the things, like you just saw over here, see, you can see this is also a library file. Okay, but I just want import like the math library file, so I have wrote import math from pylib. Okay, so we have already written pylib, so we are not writing it again. Okay, so we just wrote from pylib import star means all the library files, and if I want only the selected files, I write import the selected file name, import selected file name. Okay, this is how we write. So the start of the program will be by this line. Okay, then the second line is for an inserting an image. Okay, so how can we insert an image? Firstly, we have to name the image. Okay, image, then the shapes, then the text. It is called as objects in programming languages. Okay, so in any programming language, if you are inserting anything, we call it as object. So the image for now is an object. So I have to name my object. If I want to tell my computer to see, I want to see this particular object on my output screen, I have to name it first. So for now, I'm just writing it my name. Okay, is equals to sprite is the keyword. Sprite is a keyword which is used to take the images. Okay, show the images. So sprite bracket open close. Inside now, whenever you are like taking any link, or you are writing any name which is not a keyword, okay, so that you have to write it in double inverted commas. So we have to give a double inverted comma. Now I want an image. So for image, we have material library. Okay, so if you click on material library, we will find these three options, which is music, sound effect, and pictures. In pictures by default, which are already fed in LMS, these are this, like animals, then we have Christmas. Comms are for background images. Okay, then this is a dinner, then we have fish, fish run. These are all are different types of images, and they have just named it. Then we have food. In Free Fighters we have characters, okay, and in letter games we have spaceships, then airplanes, vehicles, okay, robots. These are all available in letter games. Now these are images which are already uploaded in LMS, okay. But if I want it to just give me 2 minutes, huh? Till then you can just practice this much.
Does anyone knows what is the full form of LMS? Silly question, but I don't. Raji ma'am, LMS full form enti?
The one I know for L maybe learning.
No, she's using the word so many times and
Okay. Then we'll have to ask her only.
I guess it is learning management system. I guess. I
Yes,
think.
ma'am, it is true. Learning management system itself.
okay.
Like ma'am, Narmada ma'am,
Yeah, ma'am.
Michael sir did for us. Do you remember?
Ha.
It is
Yeah,
also
yeah.
language.
Okay.
Madam, please ask for the recording, ma'am. It's not yet given, no?
Yes, ma'am. Even we didn't get it. If they will upload in the WhatsApp group, it will be better, I think so for us.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's what.
You should ask them. Like it's almost
Or else
like
at least the link if they put
yeah, the scratch programming is over. This is also at least we can refer when we are doing. We get it out.
Scratch, really.
Scratch is like a question mark only.
Yeah.
Every time it's very hard to remember.
Yeah, we have to practice along with her then only. But the thing is only 1 or 2 is being covered. Yeah.
Let's ask Siley only. Siley,
Yeah,
what's the
that's
full
what-
form of LMS?
Learning management system.
Yeah, that's correct. Then someone
We got the
answered
same
it. I
thing.
don't know. Raji ma'am answered?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So we can just select any images from this, but if I want from my system, I'll just click on custom material. I will click on upload, and you can just select any image. Okay, I just click any image and click on OK. So what will happen? I will get the image like uploaded in LMS. Okay. Now if I want to select this image, I'll just click on it. What happens? The image gets automatically copied. Okay. So we just have to click inside the double inverted commas and paste it. That's it. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you show me once again, ma'am? How did you get that?
Yes.
No,
Click
no.
on material library.
Okay, material library. Fine.
Yes.
Understood.
So we have two options in material library: default material, which has already image uploaded, and in custom material you can upload yourself. Okay. We have two options in it: picture and music. So in music we can add sounds also. Okay, this is done. Now I have selected the image, but I want to see that on output screen. Okay, so for that we have to write this one more code. Okay, and you have to write it below def. I'll explain you what def is also. Okay, so what name I have given? I have named it as Siley dot draw. Dot draw function is used to draw anything on the output screen. So you can see on the for rectangle also I have used dot draw. For text also I have used dot draw. Okay. Then I'll just show you output for this. If I want to see the output for this, I'll just click on run. This is my output. Okay, but in this, all the game is around X and Y axis. Okay, so how we can see the X and Y axis, you can see as I'm moving my cursor on my output screen, you can see the X and Y axis are constantly changing, which means it is showing me my current cursor's position like this. I am keeping my cursor over here, so the x-axis is 441 and y-axis is 384. Okay, so if I want my image to be little bit up, so it should be like in the between. So for that, I'm just taking a random number as 300 comma 300. Okay, so the first 300 is x-axis, the second 300 is x-axis. Or else, if you don't understand like that, we have one more code which is like this: window dot show underscore axis bracket open close, and click on run. You can see the lines. Okay, so this like sometimes helps us, otherwise we just use this X and Y axis of output screens. Okay, like this. For images, the X and Y axis are counted in the middle. Okay, images middle, see this one, this middle part. But for shape, for text, you will have to give the x-axis and y-axis for the starting of it. Okay, like if I'm giving leap learners x and y-axis as 300 comma 300, then it will start from here. Okay, so this is how we see the output. Okay, for image. Anyone has doubt?
Ma'am, can you please show how did you add the path of the sprite?
Yes, click on material library. We have deferred material also. You can just select any image, like click on that image like this, then the image link get copied. Okay, then just close it, and I'll show you one more thing. Smiley, and then let's say touch code is equals to sprite bracket double inverted comma. In double inverted comma, the image which I have copied, I can just paste it, and then just give a x-axis and y-axis. To place anything, the x-axis and y-axis is main. Okay, so 400 comma 400. For now, I'm just using the round figures of x-axis and y-axis, but in other case, for an accurate placing of any object, we will be using any random numbers also. Now I have placed the selected the image. Now I want to show it on the output screen, so I'll just write the name which I have used and dot draw, and then just click on run. This is how the image gets applied. Now for image, it takes the center point. The x-axis and y-axis take the center point, but for text and for shapes, it takes the starting point.
Ma'am, can you give more examples of define, ma'am? You have given one draw option. Then any other thing, any other which we can define?
Yes.
Like text or something, no?
Yeah.
Yes. We are done till here.
Yes.
Okay.
We are just
Now,
beginning.
if I
And one more thing, ma'am, after every command, no need of any colon or anything, no, for Python. You're just ending
for
it with-
selected code lines, we have to use colon, but for rest of the things, we don't have to use anything to end the line.
Okay.
Now the syntax is very simple. Now I'll just show you something for 2 minutes. Okay, I'll just delete it. Syntax is very easy. I'll just delete this.
Where can we find all these commands and syntaxes, ma'am? If we want to know how many commands are there, like if we want
click
to-
on
For
function.
you said now for few functions we have to just end with colon and everything.
This is
But
the
we have to
function
know
one.
for which functions we have to use.
Yeah, that's what.
Yes.
See, I'll tell you one by one. For
Okay.
one, you have to define. You have to use a colon for define. Then you have to use it for if. For now, you just have to use for two code lines colon. That's it. And afterwards, I don't think so. You have to use a colon anywhere. For if statement, for loop, and for defining. For three things only, you have to use a colon. That's it. But
If
for
it is
shapes.
You must be having not only if, no, you'll be having while, all these things also, no?
Yes, for that also, like if statements, while statement, for loops, and all the loops, you will have to use the colon.
Means all the loop structures and control structures and
Yes,
defined functions.
correct. But for like shapes, you can go in functions. You will be able to see this. See in import like this. Okay. Now I'll just show you the syntax. This is the actual syntax of your coding. Okay, the first line is for defining like taking the library files. Then in below library file you will be taking all the objects. Okay, and to define everything you will use this line which says def means define. Draw is a random name, you can take any random name, but it should not be a keyword. Okay, and in bracket you can write any name. For draw and in bracket word you can take anything and just end it with a colon. Okay, and if you are taking anything, means anything you are taking in below the pile, you are taking any object, you have to define it also. So you are going to define it below the define part. Okay, and you will end it with repeat draw. So in draw, in this repeat part, whatever you are writing over here, you will be writing it inside the repeat. Okay, and in run bracket open close. So why we use run? To run the program, to see the output screen. Okay, and for repeat, if you want to see the program running continuously, if you want the program to run continuously, we will use repeat code. Okay, this is how it works. Now if you want to go backwards, you can just use this arrow key. Okay, which is undo and redo. Now if I have any output error, then it will be seen in this output text output area. Okay, then we have one more option which will help our eyes. You can see this normal mode. This white one like gives very trouble to our eyes, so just click on night mode. It helps us to see clearly and it won't trouble our eyes also. Now for text, now if I want to write anything, the text is my keyword. Okay, so all the keywords will be in capital letter. Okay, other than the def, repeat and run. Okay, so for text I'll write text, I'll use a bracket, and inside the bracket I'll give a double inverted commas. For writing any word, then you can write anything in it, like I am going to write touch code. Then this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis, and this is my text length. Okay, text size, and then dot draw. That's it. Okay, then in rectangle you will write rectangle. See, you can see I'm writing dot draw over here. That's why I'm writing everything below the def part. Okay, then I'll write rectangle. For rectangle, R is capital. Then x-axis, y-axis, I'm using this rectangle as my background. Okay, that's why I'm using it, like starting the x-axis and y-axis from 0, 0. Then window.w means it will cover my whole width of my window. Okay, and the window.h means window dot height and the color. So you are writing any color, you are writing any link, you are writing any word, you will be writing it in double inverted comma and dot draw. That's it.
Ma'am, 1 second. What is window.w?
Width, window.width.
Width, okay, width and height.
Width of the whole window itself, so whole window
Yes.
size.
Whole window or
Output.
just rectangle?
No, our
Output
screen
screen.
window. Our
Madam,
screen.
output window, madam.
See
Okay.
this window.
No, screen. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
By
Window
default,
dot
it will be
width.
60 by 60, 600 by 600 or 5 by
Yes.
500 by 600.
Let me just see. It is 500 by 600, but you can change it.
Means
6,000.
the size of the image will increase or not? It will
Yeah, it
remain
will
the same.
increase. You will
Okay.
have
As
you
we are
have
just
that
increasing the
folder.
number or decreasing the number, it will be so, right?
Yes, you have to write this code. See, if I want to increase the size of any of the picture, so I'll just write Siley. The picture, I'm changing the size of the Siley name picture. Okay, Siley dot scale. Okay, dot scale is a function where you can resize any object. Is equals to whatever number. So by default, as 100, it is 1. Okay, for 100 we take it as 1. Then if you want below 100, you can take it as 0 0.8, 0 0.7, anything. I'll just take it as 0 0.8 and click on run.
Yeah. Yeah, it
Okay.
increased. Sorry, decreased.
Yes. So if you want to increase it also, you can just make it to 2 also, like this. Okay. This is how it works.
It
So you can create lots of things in it for now. So just remember the syntax that we have to write the library file first. Then we have to give the define, select the objects. Okay. Then write a defines line, and then below that you have to define whatever you have taken in the objects, and then end it with repeat. And the new variable, we call it as variable. Okay, this is our variable. So write the variable and end it with run.
Madam, draw is a variable, ma'am.
Draw is a keyword to draw anything.
So we take it as a function.
And why did you give DT, ma'am?
DT is just a name. You can just rename it, or you can just change the name.
For what purpose we actually give? That's what
Actually,
I want
it's a parameter. If we are like,
but we are not sending any
It's an argument
parameter
to
for
the
that
function,
function.
correct?
That's
we
what.
are,
But
we are sending the argument. Actually, we are just
It's
like
argument for the
sending.
function.
yeah, but when you are using draw function in the middle, like dot draw, you are not sending any parameters or any.
But by default, the parameter should not be empty unless the function is empty, right?
Yeah, now you have made it empty only, no?
No, we are sending this. No, these are my functions.
Okay, it should be inside. Okay.
So draw is my name, okay, and the parameter is it. So you can whatever name you want to write, you can write it over here also and here also. And whatever name you are writing it here, next to draw, you can just write it in repeat also, okay. In this case, the parameter is never empty, okay, because we are just defining everything, that's why. Oh, so anyone has doubt?
Can you tell us few more, ma'am? Till now you have told us rectangle and text. Anything else?
Yeah.
Any other functions?
For now, like this is the last one. And then in coming Friday, I'll tell you more things about it. Okay.
Ma'am,
But
can we increase the output screen?
yes, you can. See, this
Using
is the I'll just show you that window dot set underscore size, and you can give the size inside this round brackets as
x-axis and y-axis again.
1000. Sorry.
No,
X-axis and y-axis, we have to mention it here, correct?
Yeah, like
it's
that.
a pixels or I think it's a pixel.
This is an
Yes,
x-axis
pixels
and y-axis.
Okay.
This is the size.
ma'am.
No, it is a height and width of the
That's
window
what
size.
it's a pixels. the
Okay,
size.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, a small request.
Yes, ma'am.
You just in App Inventor, you just show your output screen, correct? One app, the last one, ending one, the Google search one. Whatever the link we are just typing, we can see the particular website, correct? Can you just show me the code, ma'am, once, please?
Yeah. Just a
Block.
second. This is the code for screen 2.
No, ma'am. Your program, your project.
Sorry.
Your project, you showed your output screen, correct?
Ma'am, I took the screenshot. I'll send you.
Okay. No, she didn't show the code.
This one you're
Last
talking
one.
about?
No, ma'am. The last output screen you just shared with us, correct? Your project.
You're talking about the App Inventor or the this one?
Inventor itself, ma'am. App Inventor itself, and you showed that, like for example, Narmada ma'am showed the screen, correct? When she is just scrolling the screen, she can just view the options, correct? But on your screen, when you are just clicking on something, it is just going to that particular website, correct?
Yeah.
Google or Facebook and all those things.
So you want
And
to see
when
the
you are just
output, right?
Oh no,
Okay. Then
block of it, blocks of it, code.
this one.
Is this one for that one, like your output, correct, ma'am? That output, whatever you just shared with us.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
This one only, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, then we'll see each other on Friday now.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Now, like if you have any doubt, you can just contact me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye. 3 o'clock batch. You can leave.
Shyli, where is your contact number? How we are going to get it? I hope you won't mind calling you Shyli.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Can you tell me your name, ma'am?
Rinku.
Rinku, ma'am. Just a second. Okay. I'm just sending my number to you. Just a second, huh?
Ma'am, can we continue in this meeting for some more time?
Yeah, sure.
Rinku, RINKU.
Yes. No, your username says 91995.
Acha.
So is it the right one?
I also don't know actually. Basically, I'm facing some problems. That account
So
number. and
while
other
you're
code.
speaking, the 91995 is getting highlighted.
Yeah, it's coming.
Yeah. So I'll just send the number on this one only. You got the number?
I'll click it only. No.
It's in the chat.
It's in the chat box.
Yes.
Wait.
Wait. I'm sending it again because I have just sent it the wrong number. Now you got it?
Yes. 8928235850.
Yes.
What Narmada ma'am or Raji ma'am wanted to say something.
No, nothing, ma'am.
So should we leave then, ma'am?
Yeah, you can leave. Okay. Hello, Neetu ma'am. Good afternoon.
Neetu.
Hello, good evening.
Good
Acha,
evening.
Neetu ma'am as well.
Hello.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, I am
Okay.
able to hear you.
Okay.
Are
Ma'am,
you
can
getting my voice?
Yes, I'm able to hear you.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you tell me what we did in the last class? Like till where we have finished?
We have completed the coding of फेसबुक और वो वाली बनाई थी ना हमने
Browser.
ब्राउजर बनाया था पर वो रन नहीं हो रहा था लास्ट में when we click on the Facebook label it's not opening but when click on the text box and write something that google.com it will open.
Okay, can I see it?
Just a second, ma'am.
Sally, how can we get this recording?
You have to message in the group, the orange group you are added in.
Yeah.
You just have to message in that group. You will get the codings.
Okay.
I think we have not completed the coding yet. Okay.
It's completed.
Have you added the screen too also?
Yes.
Okay. Can I see the block of screen too? Okay. Screen 1, can you go again? Okay, now can you show me the phone's output? How many were present in the last lecture? In the last session?
I think all are that time. Tanshu ma'am was there, Mani ma'am, Rashmi
Mani ma'am is not there today.
Yes, she is not here today.
Rajeshri ma'am, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you were present in last session, right?
Yes, ma'am. We were present and the same problem occurred. Na?
Okay.
It was not running.
Okay, so can you show me?
My screen or my computer or my mobiles?
The output also and the phone also. Output
Okay.
also and the laptop also.
Just wait. Huh? Ma'am, see, this is for the screen 2 coding. Okay. And this one is for screen 1. Okay.
So yours and Neetu ma'am, both the outputs were like error?
Yes. It showed error, ma'am.
Okay.
It showed nothing.
Ma'am, it says screen not found. Error something कुछ number आता है and screen not
I
found.
think ना आप लोगों ने नाम change कर दिया होगा. Like if you write this S small also, no, it won't get the output.
हाँ, ये problem आया था. I asked you na about is it case sensitive or not. That thing we have to change.
It's showing like this fixed Play Store opening, loading and downloading issues.
Can I see your phone screen?
Just a second.
Suchimita ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. On button 1, we have to write screen 2, na? And on
Yes.
button 2, we have to write Facebook.
Correct.
Button 3, YouTube, है ना? That screen
Yes.
we have done.
Okay.
So there is no मतलब कि आप कह रहे हो ना कि केस सेंसिटिविटी वाला वो चीज क्लियर है यहाँ पे.
अगर स्क्रीन 2 अगर रॉन्ग लिखा होगा ना तो आपको आउटपुट नहीं मिलेगा. That will say the screen is not like available.
Okay. S is capital and 2 जो है वो पूरा attached है without any space.
Space. Okay. तो फिर क्या प्रॉब्लम है देखना पड़ेगा. Is it possible for you all to log in from your laptop? Like the Zoom meeting?
No,
Yes,
ma'am,
I'm
not for
joining
me.
through my laptop only.
No, Radhishri ma'am, you are using the phone for seeing the meeting and you doing it in the laptop.
Yes, but I'm not
It
able
is
to attend it
difficult
from
to join same with the laptop
from
and
the laptop.
meeting.
Why? Wow, can you tell me what problem you are facing? Because I want to like control your screen, but I am not able to see the problem because you are logging into your mobile and we are doing it in the laptop.
मैम नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी इश्यूज आते हैं, कनेक्ट नहीं हो पाता.
Okay. So you use a mobile network, right?
हाँ हाँ, I'm using right now
Okay.
Wi-Fi through my mobile ना. It
I'm
creates
doing with you na ma'am, so that's why I see on the mobile and then start doing on the laptop.
You can
It's
do
easy.
one thing. Is it possible for you to log in now with your laptop? You want to see the laptop, like why it is not working.
Okay, we'll try.
actually ma'am today since morning now I'm getting problem network issues. So I don't think so I will be able to connect it from laptop.
Okay, fine. Anyone can connect with
Not
me,
a
then it's fine. Oh, thank you. Okay, I'm just taking the control from you. Just approve it, ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, you stop sharing the screen. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
You stop sharing the screen. Can you share it again? Oh, ma'am, can you please put this text box 1 to start value block? Ma'am, you all are from which state?
Like our Rinku is from Rajasthan, Sanjay sir is from Rajasthan, Udaipur.
Okay. So your schools are starting?
Not yet, ma'am. No news about it still, but decision is still pending.
Okay, okay. So you're taking the online classes now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you don't have to go to school?
Yeah, we have to. We take
Okay.
it there.
Okay, okay, okay.
And what's the condition over there?
No, it's not good at all.
Pune, right?
No, from Mumbai. But the government has taken decision that the areas which are not affected now, they can start the school from 8th standard till 12th standard. But it is no use actually of starting the school again because
What will happen? The children may come from that affected area.
yeah, so if one student comes, then it will affect the whole school. So it's better don't take the school, but government is not listening. And some parents are so fed up of their children that they are ready to send their children to school again.
Even we are.
Why this is happening? Okay, let me just change this one.
Ma'am, why we have taken screen to for only the first block?
Because in that only we have the link, the text box, and it is related to, like, it is connected to whole thing, because you can see open another screen with start value screen name. We just have to define it once, and it will automatically give the same thing for all the rest of the things.
Okay.
If it's still not working, then you have to delete the screen too and then create it again. Okay.
After scanning, it shows message like this: Fix Play Store opening, loading, and down
Neetu ma'am, your voice is breaking.
QR code.
Hello.
I'm saying that after scanning, yes. Are you getting? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
After scanning the QR code, we are getting this screen: Fix Play Store opening, loading, and downloading issues. This page is open after scanning the QR code.
What options do you have in it?
Nothing. It's just giving the information.
Wait 2 minutes.
Can I screenshot you?
Still not found. Just a second, na ma'am. Let me just see for Facebook, right? Just a second, huh? Facebook. Okay. Ma'am, is it possible for you to like send this? Okay, I'll just send it from myself. Export selected project on my computer. Ma'am, I'm saving this one on desktop. Okay. Can you please, like, after saving it, can you send it in the chat?
I have already sent you on the day, ma'am.
Let me check. 2 minutes.
WhatsApp group before.
Oh yes, yes, yes. You have already sent it. Okay, okay, fine. I'll just see this why this is happening. Okay, and then I'll send this to you, and then you can send to the like rest of the teachers. Is it okay? Or I can like tell the sir to send this file. Okay. Hello. Okay, okay. So we will start with Python now. Okay. You can stop sharing the screen. So I will start with Python now. Your voice is breaking. Hello. Hello. Hello, Rajeshri ma'am. Can you hear me? Hello, Sarojini ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You're audible.
Okay, okay.
You're audible.
Okay. So should we wait for Neetu ma'am because she just left? Oh, she's here again. Hello.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So now we will start with Python. Okay. So Python is a coding language. All right, and it is totally different from App Inventor and Scratch. In Python, you have to write your code's own. Okay. So this is Python. You have to click on Creative Center. You have to click on Python. This is Python. Okay. So the code which you are seeing is the Python code, and the screen you are seeing is a Python screen. Okay. In this is the Python's coding. In this is the syntax. I will tell you how the syntax works, but before that I'll tell you what the file is. So in file we can take a new file. If you click on new file, you will get this by default. You will get this by default coding. In this you can see an image, you can see a rectangle, you can see a text and the image which we have drawn. Okay, so to see the output for this, you just have to click on run. Then you will be able to see the output like this. This is the image which I have taken and this is the text. Then after that we have open. So open works for the file for the projects which are already saved in the LMS. Okay, so click on open. We have two options, which is classwork and creative center. The most of the projects are saved in creative center, so you can see the projects which I have created are saved in this open like in the creative worksheet, which is inside the open option. Then save as, if you want to save it with other name like this, you can just save it with other name and click on confirm. Okay, then get work is not like necessary, so we won't teach it to anyone. Then import, you remember the import and export to computer, right? Import means take the file inside, like any other file which is saved in computer inside the LMS, or if you want to export the projects from LMS to computer. Okay, for export to computer. Then whiteboard, this is whiteboard. If you want to like tell what it is and what everything is, then you can just highlight it. Then if you want to change the name of the project, you can just write the name like first project. In this, it doesn't matter if you give a space or not, and just click on save. So it shows message that the work has been saved. Okay, then this is the coding. We have a syntax. This is the syntax. Okay, I'll just delete this. Whenever we start the program, we have to write Python, PyLeap. This is a library file. Okay, in library file we can, like, all the keywords are saved, like draw, then the rectangle, then the triangle, then the text, then the sprite. This all the keywords, these are saved in PyLeap. Okay, so this is important. So PyLeap is basically a library file, and if I want to get take the access from all the PyLeap library file, I use a star. But if I want some of the files from the library, so I can use it like this also. See, this is my first library file, which is named as PyLeap. From PyLeap, I want everything. But if I want some of the library files folder, then I can use it like this also. Import maths folder, then import random. So these two are another library file which are present in PyLeap. Okay, like that. Then if I want to insert an image, I have to call the object. Like, what are objects? Objects are the images, the shapes, the text. These are called as object in programming language. Okay, so for calling any object, we have to name it. So I'll just write the name, my name. Okay, it's not like case sensitive. You can either but it is case sensitive for keywords. Okay, like dot draw, then for writing sprite. Okay, so for writing any keyword, the first letter will be capital and rest of the things will be small. So sprite is a function where it helps us to like take the images. Okay, after sprite I will be taking a bracket and double inverted comma. Okay, now if I want to insert any link, if I want to write any word, if I want to write any variable, or if I want to write any, not variable, if you want to write any color, you can just write it in double inverted commas. Okay, so if I am going to take a link for my image, so I have given a double inverted comma. Now if I want an image, so I will go in material library for taking an image. Then I have these three options in material library. First is music, then sound effects, then pictures. In pictures, these are all by default pictures which are already uploaded in LMS. Okay, like this. So we have this types of images. First animal, then Christmas. Then in com is for background images. Okay, then dinner, then fish run, then we have food, then we have free fighters, we have letter games. Okay, these are all by default, like which are uploaded in LMS. But if I want the images from my system, I will go in custom library, custom material. I will click on upload. I will select the image and click on open. So you can see the image is uploaded. Okay, now if I want to select this image, I just have to click on it. So what happens? The image gets copied successfully. Okay, you just have to click on that image and then just close it, and then inside the double inverted comma, you just have to paste it like this. Okay, done. Now I want to define my object. So this line is for defining. Okay, like if I want to define anything, I'll be defining below this define line. So this def is the keyword. Okay, this def is a keyword. This draw is my function. Okay, so you can write anything in it, like any name you want to write, and this is my parameter. Okay, so basically we don't keep the parameters empty, so we just write anything, like any word inside the parameter. Okay, then press enter. Now I have taken the name of my image as Siley. So I'll just write Siley, and in this case it is a case sensitive. Okay, so just write Siley and dot draw. Dot draw function is used to see the output on the see anything, any object on the output screen. So I can just click on run now. So this is my image like this. Okay. Now I want to give the this background image. So I'll just write rectangle. Rectangle is an keyword, so that's why I'm writing the R as capital and rest of the thing in small. So I want to give this an output. So I'll just write the x-axis and y-axis. So if I want to place anything, okay. So is everyone able to see my screen? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So if I want to place anything on the output screen, all the game is behind, like, because of the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so the x-axis and y-axis represents the place of the object. Okay, so the rectangle will start from 0 axis, x-axis and 0 y-axis, and window dot w is output size, output screens window dot width means it will be covered, the output, the background image will be covered by the whole output screen. Okay, like this, window dot w and then window dot h, then comma again. In double inverted commas I'm giving the color as cyan and dot draw like this. Then I'll just click on run. So this is how I can cover the whole background of my output screen by giving this code. Okay, now how can I like see the x-axis and y-axis? As I'm moving my mouse in the output screen, you can see the x-axis and y-axis are constantly changing, which means it is showing me my current position of the cursor. Okay, so the x-axis for my current position is 220 and y-axis 383, but it is difficult for me to see, so I have one more code. It says window dot show underscore axis bracket open close, and then click on run. See, these are the lines. Okay, so this is x-axis and y-axis. So if I want to place anything, I just have to give the x-axis and y-axis of my of that current object. Okay, then if I want to write anything, I will be using text function. T will be capital. Inside the bracket I will give a double inverted comma and write the word which I want to write. Then after that, again I will divide everything with the comma. Okay, I will give the x-axis as 150 comma y-axis as 200 and the size of my text, so let's take it as 60 comma, not comma, that's it. Okay, then I want to draw it on output screen, so dot draw like this. You can see it is behind the image. Okay, so if you want to like change the position of the image, I will just change the x-axis and y-axis of my image. I'll take the x-axis as 300. Okay, this is my x-axis. Okay, and this is my y-axis. So I'll take it as 300 comma 400. So I'll write it next to the link, comma 300 comma 400. Now you can see. Okay, this is how it is works. Now if I want to change the size of it, so I'll take a new line. I will write the name of my object and write dot scale. So dot scale function is used to change the size. Okay, so by default, like if I want the one number is taken as 100, and if you want below that, you can just take it as 0.8, 0.7. So I'll take it as 0.8 for now, and then click on run. The same image has been, I don't know if it has changed or not. I just changed it to 5, 6. Okay, the image size has been decreased. So for image, the x-axis and y-axis belongs in the middle of the image. Okay, and for the text, for the shapes, it starts from the starting of that object. Okay, like if I want to place this touch code text, the x-axis and y-axis will start from here. Okay, from here. But in image, it will start from the middle. Okay, so anyone has any doubt?
Ma'am, just tell me once again, how can we get this image? Means this link for the image, this
You
address
have
for.
to go in material library, and then you can just click on default material and select an image, or you can just go in custom material, click on upload, select an image, then click on open, and it will be uploaded over here. Then you have to click on it and then paste it inside the double inverted comma.
Okay.
Then anyone else has any doubt? Then if I want to increase or decrease my window size, I will write this code: window dot set underscore size. Then I can give whatever size, like the height and the width of my output screen. Let's make it to 800, 1000. I'll just click on run now. So the output screen has been increased. Now what happens now, sometimes the colors are not like acceptable in LMS. Okay, like silver color is not acceptable, then violet color is not acceptable. So what we can do, we can just go on Google. Okay, in Google you can just write like this: I want silver color. So silver color code, you can just write like this: silver color code. You can see this is the color code with hashtag. Okay, so you just have to copy this, go to the LMS, and instead of the color which we have taken, you just have to paste that color in it like this, and then click on run. Okay, this is how it works. Everyone, is it fine if I stop now? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. One more question. Why is this Sally scale is for?
It is for resizing the image.
Resizing the image.
Yes. Like if I'm doing it like this.
Okay, now I got it. Ma'am.
It will increase the size of my image.
Ma'am, is it required to give space before and after equal sign?
No.
Okay.
It is just for like it looks neat. That's why we give a
Okay.
space.
And ma'am, here we have taken the rectangle. Other shapes we
Yeah.
can use also.
And what's
Yeah,
that,
you can take. You can take
window?
triangle, rectangle, circle, ellipse, and line.
Okay. And in
And
that
what-
also we need to describe this axis, y-axis and
Yes.
x-axis.
Yes.
Every time.
Every shape has different coordinates.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is this? ये windows dot w. Why we are using
Window dot w means window dot width.
Width
So
and height.
what happens?
Okay.
The rectangle covers the whole width of my window,
Okay.
and h means height.
Height. Okay.
Okay, then everyone has any doubt till now?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so is it fine? Like I stop now. Hello. 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 I will cover this 15 minutes in the next lecture, in the next session.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
It will.
Yes. So you want this code now? You can just take a screenshot, or you can just take the photo of it.
Yeah, I've taken the screenshot.
Okay. So I'll see you everyone on Friday. Okay, and I'll send the corrected part of the browser app. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay
to
then.
whom you will send that? Because we have.
Uh,
Yes.
I'll send that sir, and then he will send it in the group.
Ma'am, please tell me the name of that person you are sending it.
I think he is Divakar.
Divak. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, he is in the orange group, I guess.
We are not in the orange group, ma'am. That is why I think वो जो last sensing वाला था ना, script वाला, वो भी हमें नहीं मिला था.
Okay. Can you tell me the name of your school, ma'am?
PR Convent.
Convent school. Okay, fine. I'll just tell that sir, and then he will add you, or he will just send you the project.
Okay.
Okay then. See you on Friday. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.